Well, you may have heard the Australian expression, we love our lamb, and it's definitely true. Because here in Australia, we consume more lamb than anywhere else in the world, whether it's lamb chops, cutlets, or a traditional roast leg of lamb, or a butterflied leg to throw on the barbecue. But did you know that the Australian lamb that we produce is considered to be some of the highest quality in the world? But why don't you take a look yourself? Australian lamb is trusted throughout the world for its consistently high quality and ethical production, and it all starts with our producers.
G'day, I'm Mick. Welcome to the farm. We produce the best quality lamb for Australia and the world market, and there's a fair bit that goes into it. Here's Marina. She helps out with the care of the animals. How you going, Marina?
Good morning. Hi there. Thanks for coming.
Why don't you come out, have a look, let's see what we do. Welcome on board. We're going to go check some ewes and lambs. You see out to your side, we've got natural pasture. It's good natural grass. It gives our product that natural taste. We're planting those trees not only to give shade and shelter to our animals, but it also ensures future sustainability for future generations. And really, that's what it's all about, sustainability. We're just about to do some monitoring of our sheep, and we've got some great new technology to really help us with that. Tell you what, come inside and I'll show you. I'm going to scan the animal.
Read OK. Check comment.
In Australia, we've got what's called the National Livestock Identification System, and that ensures that everything we do on farm can be linked back in the supply chain and provides traceability and ensures provenance of what we produce. Alrighty fella, off you go.
Now look at this fantastic view. This must be one of my favourite paddocks on the property. Hey Mick.
Hey Jen. Alright, let's get to and get these ewes and lambs in.
Alright, we'll do.
Well cared for stock combined with low stress animal handling are essential ingredients in producing a quality product. Australian producers like Michael manage the day-to-day care of their flock's welfare to ensure the sheep and the lambs have good nutrition, are healthy and disease-free.
So we're just about to load the lambs. They've finished their time on the farm. They're in the best condition they can be in. They're ready to sell. So we load them up on the truck, ready for the next part of their journey along the supply chain. And as a lamb producer, it's really important we get feedback on the quality of our product, because we want to keep improving what we do on farm. Alrighty Marina, let's load them.
Sale yards adhere strictly to the National Sale Yard Quality Assurance Program. This ensures they meet the integrity and quality benchmarks required throughout the lamb supply chain.
Welcome to the sale yards. This is a great venue for producers to bring their livestock all year round, especially in the spring when the prime lambs are ready. But our main thing is the low stress handling of animals so the lambs leave the sale yards in the same condition they left the farm.
The lambs are then loaded onto a truck to be transported to the end buyer, usually an accredited processor.
Once on site at the processor, lambs from producers are moved into comfortable holding pens with a focus on minimising time and stress before processing.
As you can see, animal welfare is very important to us. We like to maintain the same standards that producers do on farm. We also have a zero wastage policy here. Every part of the animal gets used and sent to different markets around the world. So let's pop inside and have a look at the rest of the process. Here we are now in the plant. This is where we see world-class standards to hygiene and quality assurance. Innovations in technology have allowed us to have a new era in meat safety and benchmarking.
These innovations aren't just about efficiency, they're incredibly important in quality control. Using X-ray imaging and advanced robotics, we were able to vastly improve the consistency of the cuts of lamb produced.
So whether fresh or frozen, 100% of lamb produced in Australia conforms to strict guidelines to meet our customers' requirements, both here in Australia and for our overseas importer customers.
Well, as you can see, from paddock to plate, Australian lamb is produced with absolute care and best practice, which means producers are very proud of what they're supplying and you can be confident in what you're getting. Hey Gary.
Hey Karen, how are you?
Really good, how are you?
Yeah, good to see you.
Got my order?
Yeah, I've got your order put aside. What I've got for you, I picked out a nice butterflied leg of lamb and 2 beautiful racks.
They're going to be great on the barbie.
Oh, great day for a barbecue too.
Thank you.
I'll go and get your order now.
Here you go. You're very welcome. It's no wonder us Australians love our lamb. And given our extremely high world-class standards, the world will too.